Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. So today I had this, actually someone gave me, thank you Zam for giving me this product, and I saw a lot of good review on Shopee. So I want to do some content, which is let's unboxing, and before we unboxing, let's look into the pictures and also videos. Okay, then the price for the soap. Wait, no, this is for the soap is 1990, and then you saw here 2,400 people already bought, so I assume it's a good product. Okay, nothing here, so there's no description. That's it. So there's a 319 all good reviews. So unboxing now. So this is the packaging, right? It says Kencang Padu, Rahsia Abang 7. 15G. Okay, and then behind this harga sabun 1990. Alright. Okay, so moment of truth. No moment of truth. Yeah, moment of truth to see the great product that a lot of people bought. One. Oh, it smells like herbs, but there's a sweet smells. 2, 3, and 4. So it's like this, very small, like big of a thumb. Right, and yeah, smells very refreshing. Herbs like I don't know, like menthol herbs like that, and yeah, it smells good also. Okay, so that's it, the unboxing. Maybe I'm gonna do a review of the product after I use several times. I'm not sure. So as for now, this is the video of the unboxing. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.